Welcome back. Today we have a very repeat special guest. So this is Anaisha. Anaisha had come with her sister Anaira in the very first episode, and now she is back with us for another exciting episode. Are you really excited to be here today, Anaisha?
Yes, very excited.
Yes. And do you know what we are going to make? We have all this stuff here.
Something with Biscoff.
Yeah, so today we are going to make a very fancy dessert with Biscoff, okay? It's a very simple recipe. You will be able to make it by yourself. So you have your Biscoff biscuits at home.
Yes.
Just a few more things and you should be able to do it. Alright?
Okay.
So what we have here is this Biscoff paste. It's a caramelized sugar paste, Biscoff paste. We have Biscoff biscuits. Okay, we have the same Biscoff paste removed in a small cup. We have whipped cream and dairy cream. So let me explain to you, Anaisha, the difference between whipped cream and dairy cream. Okay, dairy cream is like the cream that we get on top of the milk. Okay, and it is a dairy product. Whereas the whipped cream is a non-dairy product. It's a soy product. Okay, and we always whip both the creams and it grows in volume so that we get a nice smooth texture to our dessert. And we have, of course, Milkmaid over here. Alright, okay, so what we are going to do is start by crushing these Biscoff biscuits. Okay, so let's do that. I have the rolling pin here. You can take each and every biscuit and just crush it and make powder out of it. Okay,
On the rolling pin.
yeah, just the pure joy of just crushing those biscuits into powder. Yeah, put all the pressure you can and make it like a nice powder. Okay, yes, that's nice. Yeah, that crunchy noise, it's so exciting. It's so much fun to do this. Okay, so a few more you can take. Alright, so we are crushing these biscuits here and Anaisha is really, flexing those muscles and made a nice crumbly texture of those biscuits. I think that should be good enough and we'll remove those and put it in our small bowl here. Okay,
Yeah.
This is going to be the base and also we're going to be adding this one layer in the center of these crushed Biscoff biscuits. Okay, so we are going to give a layer of this biscuit powder and then we are going to add a layer of the Biscoff mousse. The Biscoff mousse is made by putting together Milkmaid, Amul fresh cream and the whipped cream. Now the whipped cream you can get various brands. You get Rich, you get Tropolite, you can use whatever you want. Okay, so we're going to keep that aside and now we're going to take our bowl and you want to first put the Amul fresh cream into this. This is Amul fresh cream.
How much?
You can add the whole thing. The measurements are added in the comments, so you will find the entire recipe and below while the video is playing also you're going to get a few details of how much cream, how much fresh cream, how much Milkmaid we've added into this recipe. Okay, yes, every bit of that. And I love using these spatulas. I don't know why Indians have not started using it earlier in our kitchens because we can scoop out every little drop using these spatulas, isn't it? Yeah, nothing goes waste. Okay, so we've added the Amul fresh cream and we've added the whipped cream and the last one to go is the Milkmaid. We put the whipped cream, Amul fresh cream and the Milkmaid and now we are going to gently whisk it. Yeah. Now to this mixture we are adding the Biscoff paste. Okay, and we'll bring it all together. Again we will whisk it. Okay. Alright, so we have already created this dessert mousse of ours, which is the Lotus Biscoff mousse. Now what we are going to do is pour this into our piping bag so that it becomes easy for us to put it into the glasses. Can I show you a small trick on how to do that? Okay. Yeah? So you wear this over your hand like this, okay, and make it like this. So you don't need somebody else's help. If you still are not very sure, then take a glass and just put it inside this, okay, and press the glass with the piping bag. Now you can just pour this into it. Do you want to try that? Yeah. Okay, just pour it into this and always cut the piping bag after it has been poured. Okay. Yeah, that's, yeah. So you can see that the mixture has become really thick, like a mousse. You know, earlier it was runny, the cream was runny, but now we've added Lotus Biscoff paste, and we've also added the whipped cream, the Milkmaid, all of these things, and therefore this has become like a thick cream. Now we will remove the piping bag, and you can see it's already there. Yeah, so you just take it and just twist it and leave it aside. So now we are going to assemble our dessert. Okay. Do you remember what we did when we did with Oreo?
First we put the cream, then we put a bit.
No, first we put the biscuit base. We made a bed out of it. So same thing we are going to do in this. So you can put the crushed Biscoff till here, make a bed out of it. Here I have also taken some Biscoff paste and melted it in the microwave for like 30 seconds, because then it becomes a little runny like this, and we can put it in the layers in between. Yeah, that should be fine. Just tap it a little bit so that it, yeah, okay. So we're just making sure that it goes on the base. Yeah, okay. So now what we'll do next is we'll cut this piping bag and pour this inside. Okay, so I'm just going to cut the tip of it. Yeah, pour it. Okay, now in this one, now Biscoff is generally very sweet, so it is served in smaller portions, not in bigger portions. Okay, so we just do this so that it settles down. Okay, that one too. Okay, now what you need to do is put a little more of this biscuit in the center.
Okay, just.
Yeah, just a layer so that it is there on top. Here. Now you need to put it evenly between both of these glasses and finish them off. Yeah, you can pour it, just pour it. Yeah, so it's like a layer on top.
Put one more spoon?
Yeah. We can put one more spoon also. Okay, so we are just going to just gently spread it so that it is covered from all sides. The main thing is from the side, no, the dessert.
Yeah.
It will look nice when the layers are seen. So try to push it on the side. Yeah. Okay, same thing with the other bowl. Okay, so now we've added this biscuit powder. We've just left a little bit of the powder here. Yeah. This is because on the top we are going to just sprinkle a little bit of it. Okay.
Okay.
So now let's add the remaining cream. Yeah, take it. Alright, again you can tap it a little bit. Yeah. Now I have another piping bag here with some more of that cream. Now this is a dessert which you need to make a couple of hours before your guest arrive, because this needs to be set. Okay, hold the bag.
Okay.
Yeah, very nice. Yeah, add a little more if you want. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, now let's leave this cream here and tap that also. Yes, lovely. Now this melted Biscoff paste that we have, you need to add it on top. I'm just going to show you 1 spoon and then you can do the remaining.
Okay.
And then it will just stay on top, because this is heavier than the cream that we made. It will create a layer on top. You can do that on top. You can add it. Okay.
I'll add more scoops.
Yes. Finish it off. Add on both of them and kind of create a complete layer on top. Nice. I like the way you've given that little swirl on the side so that it is seen from outside. That's good work, Anaisha. So now our dessert is almost ready. Now we are going to add a few crumbs. Yeah, these crumbs. Can you just add that on top?
Yeah. Put too much.
That's all right. There's never too much in any dessert. So you can, when it comes to sweet, you can just keep adding it. Lovely. Great job. Now can you put this as a biscuit on top for garnish? Yeah, don't let it not sink. Yeah, that's nice. You're very artistic too, Anaisha. That's what I like. That finesse in the way you put the side things. So well done. Let's do a high five. Well done. So you need to put this in the fridge to set at least for half an hour to 45 minutes minimum. If you can put it for an hour or more, then the dessert is going to be set and nice. It is a very sweet dessert. It's a caramelized sugar dessert, but it is sinful, it's yum, and in some time, once this is set, Anaisha is going to do the tasting and tell us all about it. While our Lotus Biscoff dessert is kept in the fridge to set, I'm going to ask you a few rapid fire questions, okay?
Okay.
Lotus Biscoff or chocolate?
Chocolate.
Chocolate any day, isn't it? So, do you like to stay at home or go out and play games?
Depends on
Okay.
my mood.
Alright, and most of the time, what is your mood?
Most of the time is like when it's sunny, I like going playing outside. I feel nice. But when it's like rainy or too windy, I like staying at home.
Home.
That makes me feel very cozy.
Cozy and nice with a nice Harry
Yeah.
Potter book to read, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, wonderful. Alright, so tell me one thing. Do you cook or help your mom at home to make something?
Sometimes I help my daddy. Daddy likes also making desserts. She makes waffles, she makes muffins. She also tries to make healthy cakes.
Okay. So do you enjoy that, or would you say that's one of your topmost things to do?
I enjoy it.
Yeah. So what is the one thing that you really enjoy doing?
I like playing with my sister the most
Yes, I guess that.
and reading.
And reading.
Yeah.
Wonderful. I think I have to say that again. It's a wonderful thing to hear from a child that they like to read, because I think now with so much of screen time, rarely children like to sit and read. So if you had to publish your own book of recipes, what would you put into it? What are the things that you would like to put? Desserts, which are the desserts that you will?
I would like to put about all different type of desserts.
And your healthy cakes that your dadi makes along with
Yeah.
that,
Yeah.
and muffins and
All type of sweets.
all type of sweets. Okay, huh? I'm so happy that you made it again over here, Anaisha, and you made the time to come and make this dessert with me. Do you have any question for me?
Not really.
Awesome, that's nice. Okay, so we'll wait for the dessert to set and we will taste it. That would be our next step. Okay, so our Lotus Biscoff cups are ready, our dessert cups. Now it's
Yeah.
time to
Eat them.
and rate them. Yeah,
Rate
so
them,
go
yeah.
ahead, try them.
This.
Yes,
one.
scoop it. How is it?
Very nice and sweet.
It's very sweet, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because of the Lotus Biscoff, like I said, it's caramelized sugar. So there is going to be a little sweetness, but I hope the cream is kind of blending in and making
Yeah.
it nice. All right. So again, I'm going to ask you that question which I asked you last time. If you had to rate this dessert,
I would rate it 8 out of 10.
really, why? You made it and you've made it so well.
Because I feel it's extra creamy.
Extra creamy. All right. So we'll keep that in mind when we do it next time, and we'll make sure that we don't add so much cream. All right. Okay. So high five to you, Anaisha, and thank you for once again for coming here the second time and making this wonderful dessert with us. All right.
Yes.